Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is Friday, July 11th. We do have a report out at 11 o'clock today. That's what guys will be watching. Some lighter trade right now. Corn up about 1.5 pennies. Beans up about 3/4 cents. With wheat down about 1/2. So not a lot of changes right now, but some of the expectations as we move forward into this report. Old crop corn. They're expecting to see about 1.23 billion carryout. Beans at about 128, so 128 million. That's up slightly from last report of 125. New crop, though, guys are going to be watching these beans. How big are we going to see this? The expectation, the average, I guess the average trade guess is right around 418 million. Carryout very strong. And then for corn, looking at 1.77 billion. So we'll see how close we get to those numbers today at 11 o'clock. I think the trade, though, is still under that emotion where, even if the market does go higher, I think there's a lot of producers out there that need to be selling on rallies, and I think we're going to see any kind of rallies probably capped. But as far as corn, how much further are we going to get? We've seen a very significant setback already. We've got some support a little lower than us. But at what point will we see that demand machine kick on and see where that takes us? So keep an eye on that. That is out at 11 o'clock today. Looking at the weather, there are some rain events moving through this weekend. I'm going to see some good rains once again for certain areas. Overall, temperatures are supposed to stay light. And no major heat moving through for any kind of pollination threats. So look for that here this weekend. Looking at good, excellent ratings. If they don't decline any, probably remaining the same again come Monday. So things are looking very good out there. But as I mentioned, primary focus will be on this report here at 11 o'clock. Livestock. Cattle sharply lower yesterday for fats and feeders. Feeders led the way. They were limit down for most of the session yesterday, down another $2 right now. Fat cattle down about 10 cents at this point, but it took them closer to that pit open before they started seeing the push lower yesterday as well. Box beef came in higher. Choice up 160, select up 126, but packer break-evens at 157.40. The reason for all of this chaos is $3 lower cash trade. It's been a while since we've seen that. 155 trade in Texas, and that's got guys the week-long positions scurrying out of the market. So we are seeing that yet, and it looks like we've got some more selling at least to start the morning. Hogs, we are backing off as well, but a little different story there. We're 45 cents lower for hogs, but the cash markets are still strong. We've seen a $5 discount right now, July, over the August. So where are we going? Have we done too much too soon? Last week kills running maybe 8 to 9% lower again. So, or I should say this week we'll be running 8 to 9% lower again. So these numbers and the concerns that we have had with this PED virus certainly showing up. And the question is, have we done too much too quick? So we'll see what that does. But, guys, give us a call out there if you need any help at all. We're here for you. This report will probably see the markets move very quickly, much like the last report. So stay tuned. We'll have some numbers out to you as soon as we can. But you can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you again Monday. Take care.